Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a simple upgrade, but it's gonna look good. We have the Harley Davidson front axle nut cover. We went gloss black just to keep the clean look, the small details that matter. And we picked up the Devil's Head Choppers magnetic bolt cover kit. We also got the Derby bolt cover upgrade and the big bolt upgrade, which covers the floorboards and the case bolts, I believe. Just a little look at the box. We went all black just to match everything. Pretty cool upgrade. It's gonna definitely clean up the bike, hide all the bolts. It's gonna just give it a sleek look. They do have a red, but for bolts, I've seen the pictures online of the red, and it just looked like red polka dots all over the place. We want to be subtle. You want to add the red in the right places, I guess you could say, and just do the right accents. I'm going to show you guys a couple pictures of bike I saw and kind of what not to do, in my opinion. So to me, this looks horrible. There's all different color reds. Just because you see a red part doesn't mean it's going to look good on the bike. This guy spent a lot of money on these parts, and to me it just looks bad. Let's get out to the garage, get these popped on, clean up the bike, clean up the look of the engine and the front axle, get these Devil Head Choppers magnetic bolt cover on and the front axle nut covers on. Clean up the engine, clean up the look, just an overall clean little upgrade. And you know we have to incorporate Supreme. I'm just wearing a plain little t-shirt. Very nice and cool for the summertime. It is a little thick, but just a very nice t-shirt. I was gonna do another hoodie, but I got some ink done and I just don't want to irritate it at the moment. So let's get in the garage, get these installed. I'll give you guys a little shot of the shirt. Just a nice clean white tee with the script, top shotter, Supreme. These come in different colors. And you know, I'll link all the products in my descriptions like I always do if you guys want to check them out. Let's get to the garage and do what we need to do. Okay, so we're here in the garage. We have our Devil's Head Choppers kit and we have our axle nut covers. I'm hoping these have instructions exactly where to put these, because if not, we're just gonna fit them where they go. It should have something. Let's get to it, get busy, get these installed and see how it looks. I just want to give you guys a kind of before shot. You could see all the bolts. I mean, there's got to be 100 of them. We're going to try to cover as many up as we can. Get this thing looking sleek and subtle. Get those axle nuts covered up. Just bolts everywhere in this thing. Time to cover up as many as we can, get a better look. So we can see here, we have the kit. Comes with some bolts. Not too happy about changing any bolts, but it has cover A, cover G, cover C, all these different cover packs. I'm assuming they have directions under all this. Cool little sticker. Add that to the collection. Maybe use them one day. It just says A bolt covers, which is what we're gonna go with first. These are used for the cam cover, primary cover, trans cover, and lifter blocks for both twin cams and M8. Just gonna start popping these bad boys on until we run out. Looks like these all go here in the main area. How cool. Just cleans up the whole look of the bike. Gonna end up just cleaning up all those bolts and looking nice and black like the rest. Just a nice little touch. Let's get these all popped on quick and move on to the next ones. So you really got to get in there in the back, but it does slide right on. Let's just continue popping these right on. It already looks so much better. Just eliminate all those steel color bolts. Hopefully these are the same size. Oh yeah, it's going like nothing. Very cool. Very cool. Gonna clean up the whole look of this engine. So they do sell a whole bolt kit in black, but honestly, who wants to change out every single bolt when you can just put on these magnetic covers? I think this is a genius idea. I'm glad I got them. I think that's about it for this side. We do have a bunch left, so let's find out where they all go. So far we've done these. These obviously are a little bigger. We have all these done, all 8 of these, and we're gonna hop on the other side and see how many we use. I think these get covered as well. Looks like I missed them on the other side. Let's see if these 8-pack fits. Yes, they definitely fit. We'll get the rest of those on. Looks like these all fit. Get all these on. Definitely a lot of them, but the more the better. Let's pop these all on real quick. Move to the next ones. So we just hopped on the other side. Let's get these on. You're not up inside there. Some of them are a little harder to get to than others, but you could definitely get to them. There must be one in the front there. Missed. Say some of them are hard to get to. We took it out to the driveway. We're gonna have to get underneath there and get those. We definitely didn't have enough room in the garage, so let's get to it. Just want to get all these on. They literally just pop right on like all the rest. Got all those on. Looks like we could get one here. Just anywhere I could find them, I put them on. If we find any more along the way, we'll pop them on. Looks like the next one is a type C for the 8 larger Allen head bolts on the right side of the transmission. It looks like we're in the right place. We're gonna pop these 8 on. Same as the smaller ones, they just magnetically clip on. I mean, how clean is that? I couldn't be happier with this product. They're not as cheap as I thought they would be, but well worth it. So our next step would be the E's, which are 16 rocker cover bolts with the top motor. You probably can't get to all these. We'll see which ones we can get to. Like they said, you're not gonna be able to get to all these, but why not cover up the ones that you can see? I see a couple we missed back here. We'll get to those. You can see a few over here, just the ones we can see. Popped on. I mean, how clean. I feel like Harley should have supplied these with the bike. So it looks like the cover E's might fit here. Very nice. Why not pop those on? Let's get the other side. Same spot. Just any bolt we can cover up. That looks beautiful. Next on the list is the F-bolt covers, 12 covers for floorboard, bracket bolts, and others of that size. So these should be all the brackets that you kind of can't see down here. All the bolts. Easy enough if you just get in there. We got pretty much all that we can on for now. I do have the 5 new bolts for the cover here that come with the covers as well. We're not going to get into it right now. I don't have the time, but we will be taking these out one by one and torquing them down to specs, popping on these covers. The final step is let's get these front axle nut covers on and get that big old hole covered up. This is from Harley Davidson. Cloth flag to match the rest. You should just slide right on. Literally just a little insert. So much cleaner. Let's repeat on the other side. Cleans it up. Overall, I give it a 10 out of 10. Just a super clean look. It eliminated all those bolts. I mean, from top to bottom. I will replace those 2 screws by the Harley Davidson badge down there in black eventually. Find out what they are and actually just order a couple up, covering everything. Those 5 bolts on the 121 just stick out like a sore thumb. And I'm gonna definitely replace them. So that's about it for this episode. We covered up as many bolts as we could. I think it looks great. Some people might not even notice it. To me, it makes a big difference, just those small little details. As always, thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you for watching. Thank you for any subscribers so far. I appreciate all you guys, and we will see you on the next one. Peace, blessings, and positivity. Stay tuned. We have many more upgrades to go. We're just getting started. Can't wait to get to the next one. We'll see you guys there.